Hello, today I want to show you how I work and organize medium-sized sessions, radio drama, Hörspiel, spoken word, and how I work with different views of the screen. One of the disadvantages with Pro Tools is that you cannot open various sessions simultaneously. So I try to work around this problem a little bit. For example, here's an empty session, but it's not empty. I only hide the tracks and I'm opening the tracks. So I have some tracks with spoken word, the scenes. You see it here. I open it here. Just click and hover above these little spots, dots, and so these are the scenes. Then I open all the tracks, so it's a medium-sized one. Here in this part I have all the recordings with the actors in order of the recording, so it's not in the order of the script. Here in this part I have the music provided by the composer. Here I have the scenes edited, and here is the session with everything together with the actors, the scenes, the sounds I use, and the music. So if I'm working here, I have to open it, and some are missing here, doesn't matter. It's just for the tutorial here. And so if I'm working, I open the session and I try to scale it so that I can work properly. And you see here I have some groups, and to enable and disable the groups I just hit Shift Command G. You see it's gray or not gray, Shift Command G. So it's very useful. So now all the groups are disabled. You see just one track is active here. And now I can start editing. So so, and now I need some music, and to get back to this very point together with the scale, I'm going to set a memory locator. I call it, let's say, number 33, because it's easy to hit 33 on the numeric keyboard, and I call it go on here, for example. Go on here, and now important, you have to click all this and then OK. Yes, I want to replace, go on here. So if I'm on at another point, let's say I'm here with the music and this size of the screen, of the tracks, everything. So I'm just listening here to something, and I want to go back to my go on here point. I just hit comma on the numeric keyboard, comma 33, comma, and I'm back here. So this is very useful, especially when you're going to and fro all the time. So the same with the music. Let's jump to the music. So for example, I'm working on this music section, and I'm listening. These are all tracks above, but sometimes I'm just using, let's say, not the mix. I'm just using the horror violin here, it's Shift S, then it's solo, just this track. Okay, so I need material from this section and I want to jump from this section to the other section and back. So I make a marker. I say I hit enter on the numeric keyboard and I say music, and all the presets are still here, and I name it, let's say 55. 55 is music. So yes, I'm sure. And now I can jump from this spot to the other spot as um, we make comma 33 comma, and I'm on the other spot. I comma 55. I'm on the other spot. As you see, sometimes I have to scroll to get to this very point. To avoid this, I can just make the other tracks invisible and just see the tracks I'm using here, just hovering about this little dots. So now I have only these tracks I see, and if I want this I have to make a new memory locator again. I make 55 for the music, and it overrides my aforementioned selection. Okay, bam, yes, I want to override. So now if I'm going back to 33, I'm here on my working space and editing space, and if I want to go back to the music, I just hit comma 55 comma, and just these tracks are visible, the others remain invisible. This is very useful. Okay, and you can organize your entire section with this helpful little jumping feature provided by the memory location window. Okay, this is for the moment, and there's a lot more to say in the videos to come. Thank you for listening.